If you've been here for more than 20 years, stay standing. If you've been here for more than 25 years, stay standing. If you've been here for more than 30 years, stay standing. I'll stop there. Verna, what year did you get here?
I don't remember the year, but it's getting close to
40. Seagulls, how many years? 36. Jan?
I came here in 1987.
Awesome. How many years is that? That's
38.
38, right? All right. This is an interesting, I have a guess, but I'm not totally 100% sure. So let's go with Amy. How many years?
44.
44. Paul, can you beat it?
I can beat it.
How many years?
46.
46.
Oh,